FER program has, engaged me to be more involved with conservation efforts on campus, and is a platform for me to be able to achieve my goals in working with the Forest Service. I've gained, much more confidence in interpreting and analyzing the natural environment around me, and the program itself has, provided me with an opportunity to be outdoors in a place that I really love.
Hi, my name's Brianna Rogers. I'm a crew leader at the Campus Natural Reserve.
I like to hear their opinions about how things grow and hear them be excited. Being excited about them being excited is really the best.
I learned a lot of traits that I hope I take forward with me after I finish college, such as being a leader, which was really hard for me at the beginning, like when I didn't have that experience before. I realized that I do have the patience to be a leader, which is something that I never thought I would ever have. And it's great that I get this experience right now as a student.
Hi, my name is Erin Knopf-Sargoni, and I'm pursuing a degree in ecology and evolutionary biology. Being a part of the Forest Ecology Research Plot has really enhanced my educational experience. I get to be out in the field collecting data and doing research. In addition, it really builds leadership skills as you're given the opportunity to be out in the field with a team of your peers. Plus, you get to be out in the forest for most of your day.